I'm back. It has been a while since I filmed. I don't think I filmed in a week or maybe a little more. So I'm back. It is, what day? Wednesday, November 29th. Hi, what's up? I hope your Thanksgiving was wonderful if you celebrate. I hope if you shopped on Black Friday, you got some great deals. We're here to count up how much I was able to save in my sinking funds in the month of November. Yes, it is still November, but only for a few more days, and I don't plan on adding any more money to my sinking funds, and if I do, that's okay. I just realized I might have some money up here. Yeah, but that's all right. I'll just figure it out later. I do need to kind of hurry up with this because my storage is probably going to run out. I did order a new phone and I'm excited to get it, but it won't be here for a few days. So I need to make do with what I have until I get that. But I did get one with more storage. So hopefully I won't encounter this issue, anymore. We'll see. All right, so in the month of October, hopefully you can see this okay, we ended the month with $6,755. So let's see what we have now. I know it's not going to be, I'm guessing it's probably not even going to be an increase because I've been spending the Christmas money. And also, I haven't really been able to add much in the month of November just because funds were tight. But let's just see where we're at. So for Amazon Prime, we started with $160. We have $150, $70, $80, so $180. So that is plus 20. You guys, last night our radiators leaked everywhere. It was not fun. It was like 11:30 at night. We were getting ready to go to bed. It sucked. Sewing had 0 and we still have 0. So that was not fun. But what else has happened? Because like I said, it has been a minute. So let me know what's been going on. Beauty. We started with $284. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. So still 284. I am working on the changes that I want to make in my binders and everything for 2024. And once I have that all sorted out, I will definitely make a video. So that's exciting. All right, vacay. We started with $169. Unfortunately, on Black Friday, there really weren't any sales for the cruise, which stinks. So I didn't spend any of this yet, but I do plan on it probably pretty soon. So $169, and now we have $500, $600, 20, 40, 60, 80, $700, 7, 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $735. Wow, how did that's a huge increase. Okay, well, I'll take it. $735, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't know, but I'm gonna take it. $735. So that's wonderful. So that is plus 566. So nice. So yeah, let me know what's been going on. I did yesterday a very, very short, like less than 10-minute live to test out some new streaming software that I'm trying out. So that was fun. I plan on doing another live as soon as I can, as soon as I get myself familiar with the features of that. Subscriptions, we started with 205 and we still have 205. So that will be fun. I am going to bring a new series, a mini savings challenge series soon as well. So fun things on the horizon for my channel. I think this break that I had was probably the longest break I ever took from filming in a little over a year that I've been on YouTube. And I'm not gonna lie, it was nice. It was, you know, the holiday and everything. I spent a lot of time with family. So it was definitely a much needed break. So thank you for your patience and, you know, for giving me that break that I needed. Emergency, we had $1,365. We have $1,000, $1,200, $1,300, $1,350, $70, $85, $1,385. So that is plus 20. And if you see some orange here, that's just because I wrote with marker on the previous page and it bled through. By the way, this is my new seasonal undated budget planner if you happen to be interested in it. It is full color inside. Every month has like a different theme. Super fun and bright and colorful, just like you all know, you know, that's my thing. So if you're interested in this binder, it is linked below in my description box. Always, it's available on Amazon, and I also have a neutral one available as well if that's more your style. Debt, we started with 25 and we now have 50 in here. Nice. I do have a little bit more to add in here from a finished savings challenge, but I'll just do that at another time. So that's plus 25. Okay, Wendy, we had 0 and we still have 0. Medical, we had $10. I did finish a savings challenge, so I was able to add. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 105. Nice. 105. I'm pretty sure I have some bills now that need to be paid, but I usually pay those out of a buffer or something, so we'll see, because, you know, as of right now, they're not much. So that is plus 95. Groceries, we started with 95. I would bet that's probably what we still have. 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95. Yes, 95, so no difference there. Okay, house, we had 145. I can pretty much guarantee that's what we have. Yes, I'm not even going to take it out because it's what we have every time. So that's no difference. All right, taxes. So we had 2282, and I know we're up over 3,000 now, so let's see what we have. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 3,000, 31, 32, so 3,200, 32, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 3280, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3285 in here now. So that is wonderful. 3285. So plus 1,003, wowza. And, you know, that is all thanks to you guys because that's from Etsy sales and YouTube checks. So thank you so much. Tummy Tuck, we had 120. We probably still do. Yes, another one that I never add to. So that's no difference there. And that is it for this binder. I also have one piece of Happy Mail. If I can find some time, I'm going to open that as well. Okay, you guys, I had to pause the video because I picked up this binder and literally there was water underneath it. So when our radiators leaked last night, it must have literally come through the floor right here and onto my desk. And I have my work computer here as well. I honestly have no idea how my work stuff didn't get ruined because water literally dripped probably all over it. So thank you, Jesus, because that would have been bad. All right. But what I was saying is I do have one piece of Happy Mail. I'd like to open that here as well if I can. Okay, Black Friday, we did have $140. We now have $0. That has been spent. I do have some left in my wallet, not much. But I'm probably just going to bring that into savings challenges, maybe roll it over to next year. I haven't fully decided yet, so we will see. Christmas also, you know, went down as well. We did meet our $1,000 goal, but as of last month at the end, we were at $985. We now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 3, 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, 355, 56, 7, 8, 358 left. So I'm getting down to it, you guys, but luckily I'm almost done with shopping, so that is wonderful. So that is minus 627. That's a big hit. I was able to get almost all of my shopping done on Black Friday, and it was awesome. So that is a good thing. Okay, Penelope. We had 164. Let's see what we have in here now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 125, 26, 7, 8, 9. 129. She did get groomed. 129. So that's minus 35. Household, we had 185. I don't think I added to this at all. Let's see. 100, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 2, 4, 5. Yep, 185. I will be making some sinking fund changes in the new year, or, you know, next month or whatever. 185. And there was something else I thought I was gonna say, but I don't know. I can't think of it right now. Clothing, we had 0. We still have 0. Car maintenance, 126. Oh, what I was gonna say is I don't know if I'm gonna film this video anymore after this year. It's one of my least watched, or maybe my least watched video. So let me know if you guys want to continue to see this. It's cool seeing how much I was able to save in a month, but I don't know. It just doesn't seem like too many of you are interested in it. So let me know. Car maintenance. We had 126. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 25, 35, 6. 136. So that is plus 10. Almost done. Holidays, we had 115. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 15. 115. You guys, oh my gosh, you will be proud of me. I have not gone to Dunkin' since Black Friday. I went that morning because we went out shopping very early, but I got an espresso machine just from Walmart on a Black Friday sale for only $50, and I'm freaking loving it. So it is actually definitely saving me money so far from Dunkin'. So yay! I know I had said, now this may have only been on my members only live, but I finished a coffee savings challenge for $80. It was $100, but I took some out of it previously. But I was gonna load that entire $80 onto Dunkin', but now I'm thinking maybe not, because I'm starting to enjoy making my coffee at home. So yay, that's exciting. All right, so birthdays and gifting is our last one. We started with 180. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 190. So that is plus 10. So, you know, not too bad. A bunch of increases, but the minuses were big. So we're gonna go ahead and add this up and see what our total is. Now, just for sake of saving my phone storage, I actually am gonna go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we managed to add a total of $947 in our sinking funds in the month of November. That is freaking amazing, because I thought like I wasn't really going to be able to add much. I mean, I didn't add much from my paycheck. It was, you know, 10 bucks to this fund, 20 bucks to this fund, but you can see like how all these little differences add up. Medical, I was able to add more because I finished a savings challenge. Vacation, I honestly have no idea where that money came from. I know I finished a small savings challenge. I don't know how I was able to add that much, but I did. And then the taxes. So I am super, super, super happy. So now we are ending the month of November with $7,702 in our sinking funds. Oh, that is literally amazing. As I said, let me know if you like this type of video, if you want to continue seeing it, because I just don't know if I'm going to, you know, film it anymore after the new year. All right, I have one piece of Happy Mail. Again, I'm going to do it super quick because of my phone storage, but this is from my girl Liz over at Busy Lizzie's Budget, and I did not order anything. So let's see what she sent me. It is squishy, so if I had to guess, I would guess like maybe some sort of pouch. So let's see. Very exciting. Oh yeah. Oh, look at how cute. It's all sewing stuff. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I love that. There's a little note in here. Oh my gosh. If my, I hope my phone storage doesn't run out. Wendy, here's some Happy Mail I've had for a bit. Time to send it. Hope you like it. Love you lots, Lizzie. I love it. And here's her card. And I got a sticker. Yes. Sticker with her logo. I absolutely love it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look. Oh. You guys, oh my gosh, look at these dice. Let me stand up and see. They have freaking rainbows in them. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. I saw Tracy get puppy dog dice, and I thought those were cool, but these blow those out of the water. Like, it has a rainbow, and then like literally like it looks like clouds in there. I'm not sure how well the camera is going to pick this up, but oh my goodness, that is awesome. And yeah, my nails are a mess. Don't worry about it. Wowza. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's it. I'm not going to keep you any longer because the video is going to stop at any moment. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all so much. I will see you in the next one.